choice for decorating your pennant is to create stripes using a blockout method. Here, I've taken pieces of masking tape and laid them down on my clean pennant. For me, I wanted them to be evenly spaced, so I separated them like this. The next step is to use a marker. I have a Sharpie marker here, and then fill in the space where you'd like your color to be. You could alternate your colors or use all one color. That part is up to you. You may need to go over your area a little bit using your marker to make sure that it gets really filled in a nice bright color. You can just take your marker and go right over the edges of the masking tape, because that's what will make a nice sharp line on the finished piece. Okay, now that I've finished coloring it all in, let's peel off the tape and see how it looks. How fun is that? I like that a lot. Very vibrant. Now, where will I put my decal? I'm gonna let this dry just a little bit so that my marker doesn't transfer, and then I'm going to come back and I'm going to add my decal. Just like before, I'm going to plan out where I want to put my decal before I take it off the backing. I'm thinking this one, I think I'm going to put it up here in the center. Again, peeling from the bottom. I'm going to gently peel my decal off the backing. Place it on my pennant where I'd like it to be located. Okay. Making sure that my edges are nice and flat. Lay over my protective fabric. It's all smooth and laid down flat under there. Okay. Now, press on the wool setting, gently moving back and forth just a little bit for about 20 seconds. Remembering a grown-up should supervise, especially for the younger kids. Irons are very hot. I don't want to get burned. Campus Camp Out 2020. Awesome. Another option for decorating your pennant is to add a construction paper border. Here, I've taken a strip of construction paper and just used my scissors to create a zigzag pattern. Then, I cut it out and applied glue along the edge. I used hot glue, but you could also use school glue or tacky glue. Just make sure it dries before you try to hang it up. Another choice, a really classic choice for a pennant, is to include your family initial. In our case, that initial is Q. So I've put a great big yellow Q on the center of my pennant, just below my Campus Camp Out decal. I think that would totally show off our family.